This is Sunny the Slime Star. She's a bright yellow star with eyes and a smile and a very bubbly personality. She loves to play with her magical friend, the Floam Fairy, who can bring foam beads from other worlds for them to play with. One day, Sunny and the Floam Fairy were playing with a new toy, a squishy jelly cube named Jello. He was so much fun to play with because he's always giggling. They were playing in a big pile of foam when suddenly a pink slime came bouncing over. It was Bubbles the Bubblegum Slime. She was so stretchy and bouncy. The narrator voice, calm and soothing, female, says, "Oh, hello there. I haven't seen you before. Would you like to play with us?" Bubbles the Bubblegum Slime was so excited to make a new friend. She bounced up and down and said, "Yes, that sounds like fun. Can we play with these?" She giggled and pointed to the flow beads. The Floam Fairy waved her magic wand and poof, they were all inside a giant bubble. This is the most satisfying slime video ever. Here we go. We're gonna mix together these two different colors of slime and see what happens. Can you guess what color it's gonna be? It's gonna be a surprise. I think it's gonna be green. Let's find out. There we go. Green. I was right. It's so satisfying to see it all mixed together like this. And now we're gonna poke it and stretch it and crunch it. Gentle taps and pokes. You can even hear the slime stretching. That's so satisfying. The more you play with it, the more it stretches. It's almost like a crunchy, gooey, slimy cloud. All of this slime has been hand mixed, and there's no way that you can make it yourself. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. This is the most relaxing slime video ever. This is the last episode. I'm so sad. Why? Because I'm never gonna see my friends again. We had so much fun together. Let's go back to the beginning. Scene 1, the very first episode. We made slime. We turned it into a giant ball, and then we popped it. That was so satisfying. And then we made slime again, and we dyed it pink. It was so pretty. Scene 3, we mixed orange and purple slime together to make green slime. And then in scene 4, we made blue slime. It was so relaxing to make that slime. Scene 5, we got to play with our favorite, the glitter slime. And then we made a singing slime. That slime was so fun. It was always singing. Scene 7, we made zombie slime. That slime was so gross. And then we made a baby slime. So cute. Scene 9, we mixed red and blue slime together to make purple slime. And then we made a slime hat. It was so fluffy. Scene 10, we played with slime on a giant sheet, and it was so fun. But now it's time to say goodbye. I'm so sad. Will you miss me? Welcome to Slime World. Gentle ukulele music begins. Narrator, calm voice. Hello friends. Welcome to Slime World. Sunny the Slime Star. Bubbly, childlike. Hi everyone, I'm Sunny the Slime Star. Today, we're going to mix foam slime into brand new store-bought slime. Are you ready for some fun, squishy, gooey adventures? Subtitles. Sunny. Let's play with slime and sing along. Visual. Sparkly slime world. Logo sparkles and zooms out to show a table with colourful slimes in containers. Hey there! Welcome to Slime World, where we make slime videos for kids. Join us for fun slime adventures. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Meet the slime friends. Narrator. These are Sunny's squishy slime friends. Sunny. Say hi to Jello, Bubbles and Floam Fairy. Jello, wobbly bouncy voice. Ha ha ha. I'm Jelly and I love to giggle. Bubbles. High-pitched. I'm Bubbles. Stretch me and hear me snap. Floam Fairy. Gentle, sparkly voice. I bring magic foam beads. Crunch, crunch, crunch. As each character is introduced, they bounce on screen with their names in sparkly bubble text. Which slime friend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video for more fun slime videos. And don't forget to subscribe for more squishy, stretchy, glittery fun. Next up, pink cloud slime. It's soft and fluffy, like cotton candy. Let's mix in some sparkle foam beads. Ooh, it smells like strawberries. Look at all that sparkle. The light blue and the pink make a really cool galaxy effect. I love it when the foam is slow and glittery like this. Let's pour it into our slime container. We're gonna need a lot of foam for this one. Oh yeah, that's good. Now let's add in some more slime. We're almost there. Just a little bit more, and we're done. Watch this. It's so satisfying. It's so fluffy and pink. It looks like a giant cotton candy cloud. Now let's sing a little song. Mix, mix, mix your slime. Gently with your hand. Feel the foam and squish around. Isn't it just grand? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making glittery glossy slimes and adding rainbow foam. Our first slime is going to be purple. It's going to be super shiny and glossy just like this. I love this color. It's so pretty. We're going to pour in some rainbow beads. It's a surprise. You guys don't know what color it is yet. So let's add the glitter. It's going to be so pretty. Look at all that glitter. And now let's pour in the gloss. This is plum crazy gloss. I think it's going to look so good with the purple. And now we're going to mix it all together. And I'm loving this color already. It's like a light purple. Next we're going to make some rainbow foam. I'm so excited. It's going to be so colorful. We'll add the foam to the end of the rainbow slime. You see that little tiny piece right there? We'll get a big glob of it and we'll stretch it out. It's so fun. Foam is so hard to get on camera, but I promise it's going to look so good. Okay, now we have our foam. It took us a while, but we got it. Now it's time to put the foam into the purple glossy slime. I'm going to try not to squish it too much, because I want to keep the colors separate. Oh, there's a little bit of yellow in there. Oops. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I missed that. But it's okay. We're just gonna keep mixing and mixing until they're all together. There we go. We have our purple slime with rainbow foam. It's so pretty. It's shiny and glossy. Look at it. I'm obsessed. It looks so good. And it also looks great on camera. I'm so happy right now. Now we're going to do a little ASMR section for all of our ASMR fans. We're just going to stretch out the slime and pull it slowly. Do you see that? Right there. We're going to do a couple more ASMR moves, and then we're going to squish it all together. Squish, squish, squish. That sounded so good. Squish, squish. Now let's take some of the rainbow foam and squish that in. There we go. All of the colors are mixed together, and now we have our final slime. And now we're going to sing a little song about our purple glossy slime with rainbow foam. So here goes nothing. Purple slime, rainbow too. Let's stretch it long and poke it too. Glossy, shiny, sticky fun. We can play with everyone. Now we're going to do a close-up of the rainbow swirl. We'll take a little bit of slime in our tweezers, and we will slowly squish it and swirl it around. Look at that. It's so satisfying to watch. Look at that swirl. It's so pretty. I love it. Look at it. It's so fun. We're going to do one more little squish, and there we go. That's our finished slime. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more slime videos. It's time for some sensory fun with slime and foam. Sunny. Let's start with our blue jelly slime. It's so clear and cool. Sunny pokes the slime. ASMR poke sounds. Sunny. Now let's add some Floam. Floam Fairy sprinkles colourful foam beads. Crunchy sounds. The two friends giggle as they mix the slime and beads together. Song begins. Tune. Twinkle twinkle. Squishy, stretchy, jelly blue. Mix the foam. It sticks like glue. Crunchy bubbles pop and play. We love slime fun every day. The camera zooms in as Sunny mixes the slime with a blue spatula. Colourful foam beads can be seen popping and sticking to each other, as well as the sides of the container. The slime is blue with a purple tint and has a glittery effect to it. Close-up of Sunny's hands mixing the slime and foam beads together slowly. More beads are added and the slime is stretched out and pulled into different shapes and sizes. Sunny uses the pop hits to squeeze and push the slime around. The slime is bright blue with lots of colourful foam beads mixed throughout it. Here's a little bit of that blue slime. Look how much fun we had playing with it today. We hope you enjoyed watching us play with this blue jelly slime and foam beads as much as we did. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun slime videos. Let us know in the comments below what colour slime we should make next. We love making slime and sharing it with all of you. So be sure to subscribe so you never miss an awesome sensory video. You can also find us on social media. We can't wait to see what fun slime creations we make next. See you soon. Do you want to see something really cool? I have here green fluffy slime, and it also has glow in the dark Floam. So let's pour it into the bowl. Dark mode with glowing slime being mixed. Gentle heartbeat music. Bubbles. It glows in the dark. Wow! Sunny. Let's turn off the lights. Now mix it gently. Slime being mixed. So this is how the slime looks like under the black light. Isn't it so pretty? It's green and fluffy and sparkly. And it's also super squishy and soft. We're gonna sing a song with our new friend. This is how it goes. You are my slime friend, my glowing slime friend. You make me giggle when skies are dark. We mix together and slime forever. We shine with every little spark. White clear slime plus ice cube Floam. Hey Sunny, this slime looks like ice. Let's mix in some icy Floam cubes. So cool. It actually looks like it's snowing. I love it when the light reflects off the crystals. It's so sparkly and pretty. Okay, let's make it even colder. I'm gonna add some blue and purple glitter. It's so shiny. And now I'm gonna freeze it. We're going to let the ice melt just a little bit so we can see all the colors. Oh, there we go. I love it. Now let's play with our ice cube Floam. The ice in the slime goes crunch, 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 crunch. The ice in the slime goes crunch, 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 all through the day. White clear slime plus ice cube Floam. Hey Sunny, this slime looks like ice. Let's mix in some icy Floam cubes. So cute. It looks so icy. I love it. Okay, let's put it in the background. We'll use our frozen background. Let's go. Now it's stuck. Oh my gosh. You can hear the ice crunching. It's so satisfying. So, we're going to take our slime and we're going to put it on top of the ice. There we go. Now we just took a big chunk out of it. Oh my gosh. It's all crunched up. It looks like a crystal. It really does look like ice. If you guys like this sound, then stay tuned for more. Jelly Jello. It's so shiny. It looks like treasure. Floam Fairy. Try our magical metallic foam beads. Gold background shiny and sparkly. Harp sound effects. Song begins. Tune. If you're happy and you know it. If your slime is gold and glowing, give a cheer. Yay. If your Floam is crunching softly, give a cheer. Yay. Mix and swirl and twist and stretch. Let's make slime that's the best. Glitter slime with gold flakes and metallic blue floss. Alright, let's see what we got here. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Now let's mix it all together. Swirl it around, twist it around, stretch it out. Oh, so cool. This slime is already looking so good. Add a little more color. There we go. A little more sparkle. That's the stuff. This is the blackest night slime with a little bit of sparkly foam mixed in. It's so fun to play with. And now our final slime, the galaxy night slime. Let's add some stars and swirl like space. Slow starry swirl animation. Ambient space sounds with relaxing hums. Oh, look at that. It's so dark and mysterious. I love it. Now let's make it all sparkly. Sound of pouring glitter. Here it is, all finished. It's so pretty. I hope you like this slime as much as I do. Song begins. Tune, Rockabye Baby. Swirl with the stardust. Black night and foam. Floating through galaxies. Peaceful and home. Stretch it so slowly. Watch as it gleams. Mixing our foam into soft, dreamy streams. We mixed clear slime, cloud slime, butter slime, and more. Each one was unique and super satisfying. Let's do a quick recap of all the slime we made today. We started off with the classic clear slime. Then we added some glitter to make it extra sparkly. We also made some cloud slime, which was so fluffy and fun to play with. And then we added some butter slime, which was so creamy and smooth. And if that wasn't enough, we also made some foam slime, which was so light and airy. And last but not least, we made some colourful slime with all the colours of the rainbow. All of these slimes were so unique and fun to play with. Which one is your favourite? Mine is definitely the cloud slime, because it's so fluffy. But don't worry, we'll be making more slime videos soon. So stay tuned for more slimes and all the colours of the rainbow. It's time to say goodbye. Here in Slime World, we love to have fun. We love to mix and we love to sing. So let's do one last slime song together. All, thanks for playing in Slime World. Did you have fun? Jello here. Heh heh heh, that was squish-tastic. Bubbles, let's play again soon. Floam Fairy. And don't forget to dream and floam. Here's our final song. You know it's the best when it's the last. Just like the last time you slimed your toes. Oh, so good. All, goodbye slime stars. See you soon, under the sun, or a big full moon. Thanks for mixing, singing too. Sunny and friends say we love you. Record scratch sound. Oh, wait, one more thing before we go. Make sure to show your slime love by giving this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share your slime creations with us. You can post them online. Just tag our page. We can't wait to see what you make. All, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share for more slime fun. Wave animation with sparkles and gentle bounce sounds. Fade out with soft giggle and Slime World logo.